Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Ryan Bossery. I am the owner of Rywire Motorsport Electronics out of Garden Grove, California. And I have the great pleasure to bring to you guys our 2019 Honda CRX project build. What I'm going to basically be doing is showing you guys all the details, everything that you need to know how to do a K20 swap in a 90 to 91 CRX SI. We're going to be going over everything that you need to know on how to remove the engine, how to prep it for install, engine mounts, wiring, cooling, brakes, suspension, everything that you need to know to get this K-swap into this car, we're going to be going over step by step. This CRX was meticulously cared for all of its life. It's been garage kept, there's not any rust on it, it's in immaculate shape. And what we're going to do is we're going to try our very, very best to put a K-swap in here, make it keep its original form and not lose any of the driving experience that it originally had. The owner of this car is an enthusiast just like we are, and he is all about having a perfect vehicle, something that he could keep for the rest of his life, something store away in the garage, keep for his kids. He wants to be able to enjoy this car on the weekends and bring it to the racetrack whenever he can. Another key part of this build series is I want to be able to show the companies involved in this product. Of course, Rywire is going to be a huge contributor to this vehicle. And what I want to be able to show you guys is installation videos on how to hook up all of our products. We're going to be featuring a full line of our wiring products on this car, front to back, interior and engine wiring. We're going to have our cooling products. We're going to have our brake products. Everything involved, clutch lines and everything you could think of. Everything that Rywire makes, we're going to put on this car, and I'm going to show you guys how to install it. I also want to get support from you guys, so I want to hear what you think about the car. I want you to tell me things that you don't like about the car. I want to have engagement with you guys and help answer your questions on how this car is put together. But nothing that I'm doing here is so far-fetched that you guys can't do it at home. I am going to be reaching out to some of my fabrication buddies, and we're going to get some stuff custom made for this car. I'm also going to reach out to a few companies and have them custom tailor some parts that are specific for the CRX. Now, I'm going to give you guys the information on where I got this stuff, so you can reach out to these same companies, same big companies, small companies, and have the same kind of parts made exactly tailored for your vehicle. You guys really get to see actually how basic my tools are. I am literally just using my brain and hand tools to get a really, really cool project done. I have your basic floor jacks, I have an air compressor. I really have nothing all that special. We don't have any CNC, there's no 5-axis machine here. There is nothing special at all. I don't even have a drill press. So really it's just gonna be a very basic build, but then you guys are gonna see that even in the most basic conditions, a beautiful outcome can arise.